guys, what's up? Today I am in Samoa to see new IKEA, the biggest, the largest IKEA of the world, which will be open soon. Still it is under construction, but let's see, how is it? New IKEA, the biggest IKEA in the Philippines, will have more than 18k different products. But before opening the store, online store will be open. This IKEA will be biggest IKEA, as I said, the largest IKEA. Yeah, it will be at least. So, but still there is no launch date. So we don't know when will it be open. But really, I am really excited to see it. I can't wait to shop there because I have worked in Turkey at IKEA as a sales representative. That's why I love IKEA. You know IKEA, but for those who is not familiar with IKEA, for America they call it IKEA. IKEA is a Swedish company and it is one of most important furniture companies. Still, they sell also accessories. You will love it. And also in Turkey slogan is like that. IKEA is like your house because you can find restaurant, you can find playground for your kids, and also there are some places like you can change your baby's diaper, everything inside the IKEA. So you don't need to go outside the IKEA, you will find everything there what you need. Weather is good today. It is very sunny. So in this IKEA you will find more than 18k different products, like bedroom things or kitchen stuffs, dining table, whatever you need, you will find it. Delicious food, yummy sweets like chocolates, everything. Generally targets, aims 95% of population, like for example 95% of Filipinos. So that means 95% of Filipino can buy anything, simple thing or big thing from IKEA. That doesn't mean everything is affordable. Some of them is very expensive because of quality. So poor cannot afford it. But some of them is low quality products with very affordable price. That's why IKEA says they target 95% of people. So with this connection, you can pass from SMOA to IKEA and vice versa. This is always happening in other IKEAs also, in Turkey. The Turkey IKEA is connected to another mall, like SMOA. Same thing in Philippines also. So that means IKEA Philippines has been franchised by SM groups.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. The animating principle is
Here the connection between SMOA and IKEA. They are working very hard to finish as soon as possible. You can be familiar with this. So Luna Park is there, and you will walk straight to see the biggest IKEA. The cooling system. IKEA is very big, so crowd is a lot, people is a lot, so IKEA needs very big cooling system. Actually, construction for outside is almost done. So they will do interior construction.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same.
So big.
Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. The animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come.
Assumption is those will be for IKEA flags. IKEA always puts blue, yellow, and also red flags of IKEA, and also they can put, of course, Philippines flag, since it is for Philippines. So they are putting the IKEA writings. This one is done, but the other one is not yet.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. I'm gonna stop looking at you. Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen.
Still under construction, but they are very fast building. I assume, my assumption is this will be done within this year. Let's see what's gonna happen. I will be really happy because I love to shop from IKEA since I was their employee. At least I know it's worth it buying. So I hope it will be soon open here. IKEA inspires people of creating house with small squares. Like for example, in Turkey, in IKEA there were 3 rooms. One of them was with 55 square meter. It was very small, but it was designed and decorated very well. So people was asking, is this really 55 square meter? Yes. Of course, I am not interior designer. We had some interior designers, they were really great. So, but as I said, online store will be open before the physical store. So I will definitely shop from online store first. Especially I know physical store will be crowded when it is open because everyone will wonder. Everyone will be curious, and of course, you know, we are among pandemic. I don't wanna go through pandemic. That is the update from upcoming IKEA. Thank you. Here, I can enter the construction area from here. Of course, it is dangerous. I won't do that. It is violation. And first is safe. So guys, I tried to show you how IKEA looks. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned for IKEA updates. And please don't forget to like our video, and you can share also, subscribe for more videos. Ingat, bye.